And now I want to close with a practical framework that you can easily remember, right? Step one, rule out. Make sure this is actually a tendon presentation and not something that requires a different pathway or different strategies. Always try to find the most dominating mechanism in what is truly the contributor to the chief complaint. Step two, classify irritability. High reactive tendons need a different entry point than stable but weak tendons. Step three, manage load. Remove or reduce the biggest provocative forces or movements or positions, but do not remove all stimulus forever. Educate the patient through this. That is not a forever thing. Step four, choose an entry point. That could be isometrics, low load isotonic work, blood flow restriction, modified movement, or even other tolerable loading strategies. Step five, build capacity, progress strength, progress volume, range, and intensity. Step six, restore energy storage, adding speed, plyometrics, elastic loading, and repeated efforts. Step seven, return to the person's actual goal. Sport, work, training, recreation, life, whatever their meaningful activity is. And then step eight, maintain that capacity. Give them the tools to maintain it. Tendon health often requires ongoing loading. So here are the big takeaways. Tendinopathy is best understood clinically as tendon pain with dysfunction. It is often a load tolerance problem, load management problem. Rest may calm symptoms, but it does not restore capacity. Imaging can help, but structure must be interpreted in the context. Then education, load monitoring, and progressive exercise are central to management. That's definitely a key takeaway there. And isometrics may help reduce pain. In some cases, I know it's the classic, and it's honestly my go-to, of course, but keep an open mind about it is always important. Then heavy slow resistance, moving on, heavy slow resistance. Eccentric training can both be effective, as well as blood flow restriction may be useful as a bridge. When heavy loading is not tolerated, speed and energy storage must be restored before return to higher level activity. And then lastly, as I'm ripping out these final takeaways, the goal is not just a quiet tendon. The goal is a capable, robust tendon. The goal is a person who can return to the activities that they care about with confidence, resilience, and the physical capacity to tolerate the demands of their life. That is the bigger picture.